Owning a small business is the best way to pay $0 in taxes and also keep more of your hard-earned money. Even if it's a simple $10,000 side hustle or a $1 million business, here's why. So as an employee making $100,000 per year, you're going to be paying about $14,322 in federal income tax. If you purchase a car worth $50,000, you'd be paying $900 a month as your car payment. And unfortunately, we can deduct this as a cost. You still have to pay your mortgage, phone bills, utilities, etc., and that comes up to $48,000 for the year. So our total net income after paying for taxes, car payments, bills, etc., comes up to $26,878. Now let's take a look at a small business owner. So we have $100,000 in income, but unlike a W-2 earner, you can use deductions like your home office deduction, phone bills, travel, meals, etc., to reduce our income even more. But we're not done. We're going to use section 179 plus bonus depreciation to write off your vehicle that weighs over 6,000 pounds. We purchased it with $0 down, but we're still able to take a massive write-off of $40,000, bringing our taxable income down to $23,000.
I love when the tax tip is just buy this vehicle that's $50,000, more than 6,000 pounds, and you write off the full amount without telling you that it needs to be 100% for business use, or at minimum 50% business use to be deducted through the business. So that's number one. Then they never talk about self-employment taxes. When you're self-employed, you pay double the amount of payroll taxes because you're your employer and your employee at the same time. So you have to cover both the employer and employee portion of payroll tax. And so you're paying a much higher rate than an employee, which is only covering one side of it. So yes, you get great deductions, home office deduction. You're writing off your kid's salary, your car, which by the way, we never talk about the true cash flow out the door. I don't care that it's just going to save me a deduction. I want to know what I need to pay for that deduction. The best deduction you could tell me is the one where I don't have to pay cash out of the door and I still get a write-off on my tax return. But you're telling me I need to buy a car for $50,000 and I can't use it for my personal use whatsoever. It's just, that's still 50 grand going out the door that I'm getting cents on the dollar in terms of tax savings. It's not a good strategy. For professional advice, talk to your accountant. But yes, as a self-employed individual, you're afforded a lot more flexibility in terms of what you can and can't write off. That doesn't always mean you're going to pay less in tax.